Hi, my name is Cassandra Roush, and I'm graduating with a bachelor's in philosophy, religion, and society. I'm a reentry student, so this is a whole new journey for me. My first time at ASU was a few years ago. we'll leave it at that. This time around, I completely appreciate the things here at ASU. I appreciate my opportunities, I appreciate my education, and I appreciate everything that ASU has to offer. But what I really love to do is giving back and building community. And my work here at ASU, we were able to put on a shoe drive for the foster kids up on the Navajo Nation. So just doing things like that and being able to just engage not only with the community here at ASU and New College, but with the community outside and bridging that gap and coming together has really been just some of my favorite things to do in my free time. For after graduation, I plan on sticking around. I will still be here. I got admitted into grad school, and I hope to still be around the Success Center and AISSS and walking around campus. So yeah, you'll still see me.